you going, guys? I've just decided to come out for an overnight camp. Not going to tell you where it is, but it's an absolutely stunning spot I've been to before, but never camped here. So just bought myself a new tent, new mat and sleeping bag. Going to give that a little test. So I'll give you a review, let you know where I got it, how much it was. But at the moment it's 4 o'clock. So sun's sort of going down now. There's a few clouds. It's almost winter here. Sun sets a bit earlier. Been hiking in for about 15-20 minutes. It's getting pretty dark pretty quick. It's just tree canopies all around, so I'm about 2 k's away from the campsite, but I got my head torch when it gets a bit darker. But so far it's been pretty nice. It's nice and cool, just trotting along. Had to cross a few creeks, but made my way around them so my shoes didn't get wet because it's getting a bit cold. So we got another one coming up right now. Don't think you can see shit. Got my new tent, new sleeping bag, new sleeping mat. I'll give you a bit of a better look tomorrow. But right now, I am hungry. So, time to boil up some hot water and make some camper's pantry for dinner. Pretty easy setup, took about 5 to 10 minutes. First time I've done it, so see how it goes overnight. I'll probably refine this setting a bit better. I might have put it up wrong, but it's gonna sleep me tonight, so that's all good. So I bought this stove from Anaconda today. Just a cheap one, but it does the job. Well, I haven't even tested it out yet. It's getting a little bit cooler, still in bare feet, but I wet my socks earlier, so not the best. Drying next to a mushroom. Got some new shoes though. There was pretty steep declines today and these handled it well, so got these as well from Anaconda, around 149. Quite a good brand, good so far. And I just looked at the time, and only one person will know what that means. Alright, so I'm going to test this camper's pantry Moroccan pork. Let's give it a go. It's not bad. It's something warm right now when it's just kind of like a comfort thing, you know. Just gonna finish the rest of this dinner. Initially this was just a test to see how this gear would go, because I just got it, so never really done this before. Pretty keen to start doing it some more. So thanks for watching, we'll catch up with you soon. Morning guys. Yeah, the sleep last night wasn't too bad. It wasn't cold at all. This sleeping bag here, it's a down bag, so yeah, kept me really warm. I didn't have any socks. That's the mat there. I had no pillow. I had to use that bag rolled up as a pillow, so neck's a little bit sore. I'm a bit of a rookie. Next time I'll get a pillow and I'll get a sheet for this. But I just wanted to test out and see if it would keep the cool out, and it did. This new gear that I got is a brand called Nature Hike. So the tent, the mat and the bag looked pretty good to me for the price, and I just wanted to test it out overnight. It's not cold, but it's definitely brisk. Pretty crazy, something this lightweight can just be comfortable. Like, I didn't feel the ground once last night. We've just got some beautiful water here, so clear. It's a perfect day. So a couple of them have little boulders like this you can just rock hop. But the water's not actually that cold, it's just the air hasn't heated up yet. So I'm gonna keep on trucking and I'll get back to you when I'm a bit further along the trail. The water is so nice here. We're making our way. Not what you want. Whew. The climb back up is just super steep, and with wet shoes and no coffee in me, it's a little hard. Whew. Just gotta keep powering through. And carrying the old camera as well. We'll see you up at the top. We've made it to the highest point. That was a mission. Starting to heat up now for sure. But basically coming back is just all uphill. And I'm buggered. But we're almost at the car. And this view is just stunning. Have a look.